don't like the amount of space that dressers take up, so I love having drawers under my bed. I even did as a teen. My childhood bedroom was so small that I took a dresser, I put the drawers under my bed and got rid of the dresser so I had a room. I was prepping for this. Although you have seen my closet in a past video not too long ago, all of the rest of my clothes fit in this one drawer. This drawer used to be completely empty. There are only a few clothing items left in it. The problem is that since being pregnant and then trying to lose the postpartum weight to get back to normal, I am left with varying sizes of clothes, and I don't know if I should just start from scratch or if I should just keep the newer clothes that fit. I was the same size since middle school, so this is very difficult for me, and I liked the clothes I had. I separate my socks with stockings in one box. They were shoe boxes. And then I put my underwear by the fancier ones and the plain ones in another box. A lot of people in minimalism will go towards Marie Kondo with the whole, put everything in a pile, touch every piece. For me, I just like to refold things because things just get messy over time in your drawer. I do this on a regular basis just to stay organized and keep tabs of what I have. Minimalism is very much a way of life that you just make new habits, or you keep habits over the years and you adjust to those things. In this pile, I have sizes extra small through mediums, and that's just because of the fact that my size has changed and I'm not used to this bigger size. Even though it's not big, it's just bigger than what I'm used to being, and so it makes things difficult as a minimalist. I really don't like to have extra things or things just waiting on the sidelines, while other things are damaged or stretched out from just wearing the same thing day in, day out because I don't own that much. I definitely miss the days when I only had a few items in my drawer and I just wore the same thing every other day, every couple days, and it worked out. But I'm also finding that I don't like my clothes like I once did because being larger, it just doesn't look as good on me. I think it's important to have some well-worn things, and I can always fix them. A lot of what I wear is either thrifted from like ThredUp, or I get a lot of things from websites or companies that I can trust, where they don't have nasty chemicals in their clothing, or they don't have any slave labor. They're B Corp, they're fair trade, and it is so vital. And I've been like this for a long time. In this video, I just show that I have different sizes and different types of styles, and it's not all gray. Like in minimalism, people think that you just wear gray, but I do like gray. But I can't wear white because I get it really stained, and so I have to get rid of all the stains. I've always been into florals and more of the stripy type of look. And here's a beautiful embroidered shirt that I got from Anthropologie about 3 years ago. And I had got it right before I got pregnant. I can't wait to wear it again. So when you think about minimalism, just use the styles you like. It doesn't have to be like, minimalists, they all wear just the same outfit and that's all I'm allowed to wear. No, put in your styles and your likes. My husband actually wears just a gray shirt and black pants, and he's done that for a decade. I'm not that type of person. I like styles, but I'd rather wear dresses than pants. A lot of these companies that I'm showing, by the way, are B corporations. You could trust these brands, and they are so comfy, and they last a long time. I'm making different piles, things that I'm going to donate that I don't really like how they fit me or they don't fit me anymore, and then things that I'm going to keep. So the ones in my arms, I am keeping and I'm going to put back in my drawer. I don't do capsule wardrobes, so this is everything. I'm putting all the summer things, the warm weather things in the very back, and I'm putting it by the season. Right now, it's been going from really cold to really warm during the day, so I'm just trying to mix it up and put some of the things in the front that I'll wear now, but definitely all the things from the summer, I'm putting in the way back. Anything that does not really fit me yet, definitely is going in the back for that season, and hopefully I can wear it again. If I don't fit in it by next year, I'm going to donate it. And I mean next year by springtime. Now that I've seen this process, this video of me doing this, I want to declutter this again. I feel like I have way too much stuff. And with having way too much stuff, I find I really only wear certain ones. And anything that I don't wear on a regular basis, I don't think I should keep. There are some shirts that I'll wear every week, and those I need to keep. I put shirts all the way on the left, pants in the middle. I also put my workout pants usually that I use, and I put them in the front. And then I have the workout shirts in front of the socks portion. And in front of the underwear, I put bras. Now bras also, I'm going crazy different sizes. When I was nursing, I was gigantic and my usual size is small, but right now I'm in between those sizes. So I have all my different sizes there, and I really don't want to have that. I only want to have like 2-3 bras. That's my drawer. Until next time.